serve the public trust.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. This is another build from ROBOCOP. It is pack 4 from issue 11 all the way to 14. So I'm still catching up, as you can see. So we have some parts. I believe we are continuing with our arm. So we are going to open up our magazine. Let's have a fast read through what we need to do. So wow, we're attaching our hand, so that's excellent. Okay, so let's open up our pack and get on with it. We have our arm that we was working on, and in the pack we have this plastic piece. You can see the right side, and on the pegs it's a larger and a smaller peg. So that's where it needs to go. You can see there's the larger hole and the smaller hole. So let's just get this correct, and that should just push through, and it is a very tight fit that won't fall out at all. Now we have this rubbery material, and you can see it's flexible, so it will fit over the joint. Now it really, you can't really get this wrong. It goes, you can see it won't go this way because it has a gap. So just turn it until you see it fit flush, and you can see with the arm, with this piece towards the back of the arm. So this is the front side, and that's how that will be pushed on. Now we're gonna need our hand. So this is my hand. We need to take this off. It's telling us to push this in. Now I have seen from World of Wayne channel that he has loosened these parts, so you just screw these slightly apart, not all the way, because then you have all your fingers all over the place again. Let's loosen it just to ease the tension from this joint, and just making sure they are loosened. And let's give this a shot. Okay, just making sure I'm not gonna break any of the fingers off. And push, and oh, there we go. Wow, okay, that wasn't so bad at all. So that's how that's going. So let's tighten the hand again. I think that's quite a good tip. It might be quite difficult without loosening these screws. Let's make sure they are fully tightened again. And that's our arm in place. So that's quite tight. We have the plate again, and that's looking excellent. Wow, love that. So let's get on with our next issue. So this is issue 12. Just in case you're thinking, what did I do to my wrist? Unfortunately, I thought I sprained it, but I have actually torn some ligaments inside, and yeah, it is very painful. So this does ease the pain slightly. So this is the parts. We will open that up in a minute. And this is issue 12. Let's see what we have to do in this pack. So just a few bits and pieces to be put on the arm. That should be quite easy to do. Excellent. So let's get on with that. We have this piece. It does have a D-shaped pattern, as you can see. So it is the right side. Let's try and find the D-shaped pattern. I should just push in, line it up, push all the way, And excellent. So we just trying to adjust this slightly. I think that's okay. Now we have these parts. They're like covers that just fit over the upper arm, just like that. And we need 4 AM screws, so it is going into metal. So I'm gonna get all these 4 in place and I will be back with you. So that's all 4 now screwed in place. Our arm's really taking shape and it's looking great. So that's the end of this issue. So this is issue 13. We fly past those 2 issues. Wow. So we're working back on our foot. So let's just get this out the way. And this is issue 13 magazine. And yeah, we're doing the other foot. Okay, great. So let's get on with that one. So we have our foot. This is, both of them are metal. So just pop that through like that. Doesn't really matter what way this goes just yet. So that just goes like that. We could leave this to the side for now. Now we have this part. And we have these 2 I guess like spaces, I guess you would call them. So there's a larger one and a smaller one. This is the larger one. The larger one goes first. And then the smaller one on top of that. But I don't know if you can see. I think you have to make sure. You can see they are slightly different. That's round. And there is a curved one. It's not fully rounded. And hopefully you can see these ones are raised and the ones on the inside are much lower. So with the circle, half circle ones has to go on the lower ones, and the fully circled ones has to go on the bigger ones. So let's just try. I think the easiest way to do this, tip it like this and make sure that we got this correct. Goodness me. I think we got it. And there. Well. So we need to screw this now in position. And those are with CM screws. We need to take our time with this. It needs to go like in a circle motion to fully screw this in place. So that's now screwed in place, and you can see that it is pretty flat, and this is quite hard. You want this hard. And that's the end of this issue. So let's get on with the next one. This is our final issue, issue 14. So let's just try to open this up. Take a look at our magazine. So we're still working on our foot, which should be looking like that at the end of it. So I don't believe we are attaching it just yet, but yeah, let's get on with that one. So we have this piece now with the spring, and you can see it will go in this position with the hook, just like that. So facing like that, you can see it's like a flat side this way, and it goes onto the middle of it, and we need to put that with a CM screw. So let's just screw this in place. I think the easiest way, put your screw onto it first, just like that. Or try to get it on there. There we go. And put it onto the middle one. I haven't fully screwed it down, just to have a bit of movement in just for now. Now with the foot we was assembling, it goes onto this position. So just turn that over, and just there you can see really can't really go any other way, so just onto there. And another CM screw. So now that's now screwed in place. Just making sure that everything's lined up. Then we have the toe section. It just slots in place, just like that. But we need to put a screw in there. One more CM screw. I think the easiest way, just screw that slightly in. Just enough until it has a bit of bite. Line this up. Just like that. Get a tweezer. Wrap it around the screw, and there we go. Excellent. Now let's tighten both of these screws down, and that should be it really. Let's get that done. So that's both of them screwed down, and it has a springing mechanism now. So you can see that it just goes like that. So that's excellent. So with that, it has come to an end of our issue. Thank you for bearing with me. I know other people has passed all these issues. I'm just trying to catch up, and I'm doing the best as I can. And yeah, so that's the end of it. So if you could do us a favor, like always, if you could hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, it will be helping us a lot. Look forward to seeing you all next time, and goodbye for now.